Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. In this video, we will learn how you can run Python on your Visual Studio Code IDE. And by default, it doesn't come pre-configured to run the Python, so you need to install what is called as extensions. So over here, I have one logger class, and as you can see, if you go to the Run tab over here, there is Start Debugging, Run Without Debugging and all. If you click on that, it will show to use Python extension. So Python extensions are kind of extension pack that you can find for installing the packages. So if you go to this extension tab over here, and you can search for Python over here. As you can see, it's pre-loaded. So this Python module is what will enable you to run the Python codes. So you should click install over here and let it install the Python extension for your IDE. It will take a while, and after it's done, you can, as you can see, this is done. This extension is enabled globally, so you can go to your logger class. This is my template hello class. So just to show you, over here run option appears. If you click this run Python file, a terminal will start running and it will load your Python file. So you can see welcome to the hello world. This function got called and executed. So this is how you install the Python extension and run your Python files in VS Code. Thank you.